Hello everybody, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function in Microsoft Excel. I will explain the use of these functions with the help of four examples that I have created here. First of all, let's see the theoretical description of these functions. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. It means the use of COUNTIF function is to count number of cells based on one single condition. The another function is the COUNTIFs, which counts the number of cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. This given set of conditions means this COUNTIFs function supports multiple conditions. Let's go to the example 1. In this data, I have customer IDs, customer names and their status in active or inactive. My requirement here is to find out how many customers are inactive. In this case, the condition is this inactive. We have to count the cells that has inactive. So here in this cell, press equal to, type COUNTIF open bracket. In the range, select this status range. Then put a comma, and here in the criteria put a double quotation, then the condition that is inactive. So put here inactive, double quotation, bracket close, press enter. The result is 22 because there are total 22 inactive customers. Let's go to another example, and here I have the details of customer ID, customer name and their yearly sales value. And here, if you are planning to give special gift voucher to the customer having yearly sales higher than 1 million, and you want to count how many gift vouchers you need to distribute. So in this case, you have to count the number of sales having the sales value that is greater than 1 million. So here in this cell, press equal to, use COUNTIF function open bracket. In the range, you have to select this sales amount range, put a comma, and here in the criteria put the condition that is greater than 1 million. So put here double quotation, greater than symbol, then put 1 million, double quotation, bracket close, press enter. And here you can see result is 9 because there are total 9 customers having the sales amount that is greater than 1 million. Let's go to example number 3, and this example is for the COUNTIFs function. In this data, I have the employee ID, employee name, department, their performance score and the years worked in the organization. And here you are planning for a promotion in marketing department employees. If performance score is greater than 7 and year worked is at least 5 years, employee is eligible for promotion. And here the requirement is to count how many employees are eligible for promotion. In this case, we have total 3 conditions. The first condition is the employees should be in marketing department. The employee's performance score should be greater than 7, and the third condition is the years worked must be at least 5 years. It means the years worked should be greater than or equal to 5 years. So we have to check 3 conditions for counting the number of cells. So in this case, you can use the formula like this. Press equal to, use COUNTIFs function open bracket. In the criteria range 1, select this department range. Then put a comma. Here in the criteria 1, put the first condition that is the department should be equal to marketing. So put here double quotation, marketing, double quotation, then put a comma. Here in the criteria range 2, select this performance score range. Then put a comma. In the criteria 2, put the second condition that is the performance score should be greater than 7. So put here double quotation, greater than 7, double quotation, then put a comma. Here in the criteria range 3, we have to check the years worked. So select this years worked range, then put a comma, and here in the criteria 3, put the third condition, that is the years worked should be greater than or equal to 5 years. So put here double quotation, greater than equal to symbol, then 5, double quotation, bracket close. Now you can press enter, and here you can see the result is 6, because there are total 6 employees who meets all 3 conditions. That is, the department is marketing, performance score is greater than 7, and years worked is greater than or equal to 5 years. Let's go to the fourth example, and here I have the details of product ID, product category, product name, and stock balance. In this data, the requirement is if reorder level is 10 units, count how many products in electronics group needs reordering. So here we have 2 conditions. We have to check the electronics category, then we have to check the stock balance quantity that should be less than or equal to 10 unit. So here, to find out the number of products to be reordered, the formula is press equals, use COUNTIFs function, open bracket. In the criteria range 1, select this category range, put a comma, and here in the criteria 1, put a double quotation, then put electronics. This is our first condition. Put a comma. In the criteria range 2, select the stock balance range, comma, and here in the criteria 2, put a double quotation, less than equal to 10. This is our second condition. Double quotation close, bracket close, then press enter. Here the value error is given because I have put here a wrong reference of the criteria range 2. It should be from D2, but here it is D3. That's why the value error is given. Let me correct this to D2 to D31, then hit enter. And here you can see the result is 1, because there is only one product that needs to be reordered in the electronics group. So this is all about how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice these functions, you can download this sample workbook file from the link in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next video tutorial.